Mondulkiri, a land of 5 vast wildlife sanctuaries, legally protected to preserve Cambodia's rare species and ecological balance. This is the ancestral home of the indigenous Fanong, whose culture and livelihoods are rooted in these forests and the crops they grow. Mondulkiri is a region of great potential for cultivating high-value crops such as coffee, pepper, avocado, and spices. Farmers cultivate many diverse products, ranging from vegetables and rice to avocado, passion fruit, durian, and banana. Yet coffee remains their #1 source of income. However, production figures reveal a significant gap. Cambodia requires approximately 5,000 tons of coffee annually. Yet Mondulkiri farmers produce only 500 to 600 tons. Moreover, much of this is informally exported. Small-scale farmers face many obstacles, and Fanong communities are hit even harder. Limited technical skills, low financial literacy, weak producer groups, and lack of access to quality inputs and capital hold them back, making it difficult to expand production and meet market standards. In 2024, with support from the Rudy and Alice Ramsey Foundation, IDE launched an initiative to help indigenous communities in the Eastern Plain landscape of Cambodia transition to regenerative coffee production. Working closely with the Mondulkiri Provincial Department of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries, PDAF, regenerative farming isn't just about growing more. It's about growing smarter through composting, crop diversification, improved irrigation, and proper use of fertilizers and agrochemicals. Farmers restore soil health and boost biodiversity. These practices don't just enhance yields, they protect the forest, land, water, and ecosystems that farmers depend on for survival.
ខ្ញុំឃើញដូចជាទិន្នផលវាខុសគ្នាកាលយើងមិនទាន់នៅជាមួយ IDA និងមន្ទីរកសិកម្មវាបានតិចទេខាង IDA ឆ្នាំមុន120ដើមហ្នឹងបាន800គីឡូហើយរួចពីហ្នឹងយកទៅចការខ្លួនឯង120ដើមដែរបានតែ400គីឡូខ្ញុំចេះតុបតែងម៉ាយហើយខ្ញុំចេះដាក់ជីពីមុនអត់ទេដូចដើមអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបាច់យកមកដល់ឥឡូវខ្ញុំជីកដៃជុំវិញដើមកាហ្វេយើងដាក់កប់វាមកស្អាតដល់អញ្ចឹងទៅជីហ្នឹងវាមិនអាចហើរទៅលើអាកាសទេហើយយើងមើលដើមកាហ្វេយើងវាល្អជាងមុនចំណាយឆ្នាំហ្នឹងចំណាយវា3000ឡើងបើថាយើងគិតក្នុងមួយដើមអាច5គីឡូទៅ6គីឡូហើយឃើញជំនាញវាផ្លែគ្រប់ដើមហើយស្បាយចិត្ត
IDE also promotes intercropping practices among farmers. Mixing coffee with fast-growing crops like passion fruit and vegetables gives farmers immediate income while they wait for coffee harvests and improves both soil health and financial resilience.
kalauយើងចាំទៅយើងដាំក្នុងនេះយើងឃើញទឹកនឹងជីយើងបាចជីទៅវាបានស៊ីទាំងត្រេនបានស៊ីទាំងកាហ្វេបានស៊ីទាំងផ្លាស្ទិកយើងក្នុងផ្លាស្ទិកនេះរយៈកាលវាតែ6ខែខ្ញុំបានផលបានផលផ្លែក្នុងមួយខែបានខ្ញុំថា10,000ចុះបាន10,000ផាត់ជីក៏រួចរយៈកាលបើសិន2ឆ្នាំយើងកាត់វាចោលដើម្បីកាហ្វេនឹងត្រេនយើងឡើងកាហ្វេនេះឆ្នាំក្រោយខែ11ខែ12បានផលគិតថាប្រចាំច្រើនយើងយកតាមដើម1គីឡូក៏បានបាទគីឡូយើងគុណ 3,500 ទៅ 4,000 តែជាង 1,000 ដើមដែរ
To spread this knowledge wider, IDE works closely with PDAF and the Cambodia Indigenous Friendship Association, CIFA, which assists about 400 farmers. CIFA leaders and their team have been trained to transfer key knowledge to their communities. CIFA also holds potential as a collection hub for domestic supply chains in the future.
តើតោះនឹងកម្រងខាង IDE ទៅវាសំខាន់ដោយសារជា បទពិសោធន៍ថ្មីទាក់ទងនឹងការតប្រព័ន្ធទឹកហើយកន្លងមកនៅតំបន់នេះគឺគាត់ប្រើដោយដៃឧទាហរណ៍ថាកាហ្វេមួយហិតតាគាត់ស្រោចរយៈពេល1ថ្ងៃពេញបានស្រោចអស់ក្រៅពីប្រព័ន្ធទឹកក៏មានចន្លោះដែលយើងដាំកាហ្វេហ្នឹងក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺយើងដាំចម្រុះយើងមានទាំងម៉ាកាដាមៀយើងមានទាំងក្រូចវល្លិទាំងបន្លែទាំងតូរ៉េនបាទតាមរយៈគម្រោង IDE គឺខ្ញុំបានរៀនសូត្រច្រើនសម្រាប់ការចែករំលែកឬផ្ដល់ព័ត៌មានទៅដល់សមាជិកគឺយើងមានជាស្ដេចនៅចម្ការបង្ហាញនេះគឺយើងមានបុគ្គលិក2នាក់ប្រចាំការរៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃហើយខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់នឹងលោកគ្រូមួយទៀតគឺចោះចម្ការដើម្បីណែនាំអ្វីដែលថ្មីរៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យអញ្ចឹងពួកយើងក៏បានធ្វើបទបង្ហាញចែករំលែកអ្វីដែលថ្មីសម្រាប់ដំណាំកសិកម្មនេះផងដែរ
But knowledge alone isn't enough. IDE and PDAF are supporting farmers to access premium markets through Cambodia Good Agricultural Practices (CAMGAP) certification, a national food safety assurance system for fruit and vegetable production.
ចំពោះការងារ CAMGAP ដែលយើងសហការជាមួយអង្គការ IDE ហ្នឹងគឺយើងបានផ្ដោតលើការដាំដុះដំណាំក្រូចវល្លិជាមួយនឹងដំណាំបន្លែការអនុវត្តកសិកម្មល្អឬក៏ CAMGAP ហ្នឹងពិតជាមានសារៈសំខាន់ណាស់សម្រាប់កសិករហើយយើងបានបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលពួកគាត់ឲ្យធ្វើទៅតាមគោលការណ៍ទាំង10ចំណុចហ្នឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានវិញ្ញាបនបត្រ CAMGAP ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងធ្វើឲ្យមានសុវត្ថិភាពសម្រាប់អ្នកដាំដុះអ្នកប្រើប្រាស់និងបរិស្ថានបើសិនជាគាត់ដាំតាមធម្មតាបើប្រៀបធៀបជាមួយគាត់មានវិញ្ញាបនបត្រ CAMGAP គឺតម្លៃខុសគ្នាទៅដល់ 15%
ទាក់ទងនឹងCAMGAP គឺយើងបានរៀនសូត្រច្រើនជាមួយមន្ទីរផងជាមួយ IDE ផងហើយបើសិនយើងជាប់ CAMGAP វាផ្ដល់អត្ថប្រយោជន៍ទី1បន្លែមានសុវត្ថិភាពយើងហូបចុកក៏វាមិនប៉ះពាល់ទៅដល់សុខភាពយើងហើយបើគិតពីតម្លៃទីផ្សារក៏អាចឡើងទៅតាមគុណភាពបន្លែយើងដែរ
Through improved farming practices and investing just 10% more in quality inputs, coffee farmers in the pilot program increased their yields by 30 to 40%. Farmers have also generated more income through their intercropping. Over 2 years, the greatest insight has been the power of collaboration between public, development, and private partners. This lays the foundation for scaling both regenerative agriculture and building a resilient market ecosystem. We've seen courage from farmers to invest and try new things, but sustainable transformation takes time. Changing long-held behaviors and helping farmers apply practices correctly requires persistent support and continued partnership. Mondulkiri's indigenous farmers have shown what's possible when knowledge, support, and sustainable practices come together. But this is just the beginning. We need further investment to scale this transformation and build a resilient market ecosystem across Mondulkiri and beyond. Stand with indigenous farmers. Support a future where communities and their forests thrive together.